Okay guys, let me tell you about what CSX L456 is going to do. CSX L456 is going to take the cars into the CSX Marion yard and like L456 is going to go backwards into the CSX Marion yard and and drop off all these cars and then go back and it's going to go back southbound, the locomotive, and pick up the rest, pick up these cars to take to Walbridge, Ohio. Okay? Alright guys, that was CSX, L456. It came from, Columbus, Ohio, and it's going to Walbridge, Ohio. Okay? Bye, and that's all for now.